scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all have observed tiny insects that float on the surface of water. These are known as water striders. In this video, we are going to learn what makes the water striders float on the surface of water. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the properties of water activity kit. Take out the floating strider activity material from the kit. This will contain thin copper wire and the insect cutout sticker. You will also need a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pen, a shallow plate and a bottle of water from your home. Unwind the wire and with the help of a ruler, make 3 markings of 10 cm on it. Let's cut this wire now. You can take your parents' help for this. We have 3 wire pieces, each of length 10 cm. Now, hold the 3 wire pieces between your fingers like this. Now, let's twist them together like this. Repeat this 5 to 6 times so that the 3 pieces are now bound together. Spread out the ends of the wires on both the sides like this. Now bend the 6 ends slightly so that they resemble the legs of a water strider. Lift the central part of the strider in the air like this, and now we have to paste this cutout here. Cut out the sticker according to the shape of the strider and remove the peel. From one side, stick the insect sticker and secure by putting the peel from the other side. Can you see that our strider is almost ready? Let's check this water strider first. For this, place the water strider on any flat surface and ensure that all the legs are touching the surface. If not, adjust the legs accordingly. Take the shallow plate and place it on a table or any flat surface. Let's fill it with water. Now, place the water strider on the surface of the water in our plate. Can you see that this water strider floats on the surface of the water? The weight of small insects and striders is very less, and their legs are bent in such a way that the surface area of their feet increases. Due to this, they are not able to break the surface tension on the water surface and hence float. The cohesion between water particles leads to the formation of a membrane on its surface. This property of water is known as surface tension. The striders and small insects are not able to break this membrane of surface tension and hence float on the surface of water. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.